Hey guys, so last night we got more snow. Oh man, it looked like a lot more from the house. I'm disappointed. Oh, about another 2 inches. I thought we got more than that. I thought I had a great video about how I finally got hit with a blizzard. Well, it really was blizzard conditions last night. It was blowing pretty good. You can see back here I'm gonna have some pretty good drifts. You know, I might only have 2 inches in the front yard because I put those boards up. I wonder if there's a good spot back here we could go. Get an accurate measurement. How about right here? Now 2 inches is gonna be pretty close, but look at these. You can see I get some pretty good. Now I lost the word. Drifts. Got a pretty good drift right there. Right there. Basically anywhere that my neighbor's trees and garage aren't blocking. Covered up the. This is a good one. This is pretty gnarly. "12-inch drift." We're not even going to be able to see the ruler over here. Yeah, I'd call that one a blizzard. Let's see. Oh, I'm still not down. Oh, nope. I'd have to get the meter stick to measure this. Here we go. We'll measure with my footsteps. Yeah, I think we could say I finally got the storm that they told me I was getting. I'm trying not to whip the camera around so fast. I noticed I do that too much. So this was like round 3, I'd call it. Like the 3rd good snow from this winter storm. You guys will be able to see better than I can see right now on this thing. I think let's see, I don't know. Let's see if my boards helped. I think so. I think we got a plow coming through right now too. I can kind of hear it. Ooh, look at that one. That's a good drift. Right between those trees there, it came through. Yeah, I think my boards definitely saved me a lot of work. I'm glad I put those up now. You can see, I don't know if this is a result of the plow coming through, but it looks like it might be. And guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna throw it right back on the road for him. And hopefully they'll push it a little further down the road. I'll come over here. We'll look at this because I did shovel off this. I shoveled off this ramp yesterday. Yeah, that was a good one. I'm not sure what I would say the measurement is because I may have only 2 inches in some spots, but I have some drifts that are over a foot. Like, let's look at this drift here. Okay. So right there, that's a foot. That drift is probably 19 inches high. Are you girls ready? We got a lot of work to do today. You ready? Oh, they said they're ready. Good. Good. I'd be in trouble if they weren't ready. So, when are you going to come out and work on your garden beds, Chris? Not today. Not today. It's not happening. Boss Chicken hasn't even come out to evaluate the situation yet. I do hear her, though. She's making some noise. Over here might be a good place. So over here it says I got 3 inches. And this was shoveled every time yesterday. That might be a good estimate. I don't know. How do you judge something like that where you got 2 inches here and 3 inches there and 4 inches there, but you know, you got drifts that are over a foot. I probably have multiple drifts that are over a foot. Doesn't look like any of the trees came down, so that's nice. That can always make for a bad day. My girls are in here making noise. I shut the windows last night. And I shut that window last night. And then I put the brick in the door because I must need new batteries. And that didn't shut. As a matter of fact, that's probably why they aren't out, huh? She might have come out by now and looked around if I had this out of here. But that's okay. It's about 10 o'clock. There we go. We'll take that out so she can come out and do her inspection. Maybe I'll make another video where we can come out and check the size of these drifts. I'll have to find my meter stick. Sorry, girls. My fault. I forgot that I had to shove that in there last night to keep you safe. I'm gonna need to switch the batteries out. See, this is a new addition to my chicken coop here. This Brincy chick safe door runs on batteries, and as you can see, since it didn't shut last night, I have not quite figured out how long the batteries last yet. But I put that thing in because I was tired of coming out and opening and shutting the coop every day. So that saves me a lot of trouble. Then I don't have to come out right away in the morning and like before my coffee. Hi, you checking it out? What are we thinking? It's sunny out. It's a beautiful day. A lot of work ahead of us though. Here's my the food thing for the birds right there. Let's check this drift here. We could do a little bit of measuring with the... So that's 12. This drift, I'd say 18 inches. 18-inch drift right there. Good morning, girls. Good morning. You're like, get over here and shovel me an area and throw some scratch. Bad human. I know. I'm not doing my job. Oh, this is going to be a longer video, but, you know, this is kind of cool. Me and my son worked on a little bit of a snowman yesterday. I didn't record that because, well, sometimes I want my son's time all to myself. You know? It would have been cool to record it, but I needed some me and him time without the camera around. Well, I've drank 1 cup of coffee this morning. I think I'm about to go drink the 2nd cup of coffee, and then I will come out here and tackle my mission here. Pretty good one though. Give you guys a good view. This is what I get to see out of my front window, which I think is a pretty good view. I like it. All right, that's it. I'm gonna get busy. I hope you all have a great day. I hope no one's flooded. I know, like I said, some places we're getting days of rain. So I hope everyone's safe and doing well.